What's up, everybody? I'm the Layman, and I like to write fanfiction. Nothing to be ashamed of with that. It's the same as writing anything else, except this time you're working off of a world of characters and a setting that already exists that was created by someone else, and you're basically just doing it for fun. And I bet a lot of you people out there, you like to do that too. So, I think these next few videos in this series I'm making will be of some interest. Now, I know a lot of you don't consider yourselves Pulitzer Prize winning authors, or if you are, I don't know. But what I'm saying is, it doesn't take someone with an award-winning level of talent to write good fan fiction. All you basically need to know is the general basics of writing and a few other interesting tips that I've learned over the past 10 odd years that should help you, if not write better, then at least know what you're doing, let's say. Because I've read a lot of fan fiction and people don't know what they're doing. It is so obvious. Now, granted, you may be saying, what tips could you possibly know? It's just fan fiction. Why would we even bother? Isn't that stuff those weird basement-dwelling nerds talk about all the time? Partially, yes, but there's still stories that have an audience of people who love the same things as the author does. So, in this series, I'm going to try to educate you watching at home on how to write better fan fiction. Not necessarily become a better author or how to get your work published, but at the very least, if you're passionate about something and you want to, and you're a creative type, then these tips and tricks will definitely be worth your while. So stay tuned as we find out how to write good fan fiction.